Keblai Pibaro Shakatup Khubor Jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bekong san menta ke sengi kilong. Haki DC IT ke sorkar ban om yap dengan kipat ba. Rai ke sorkar ban om ai penya ya ke MEECL haki company. Ke Jylla Meghalaya kala kamkiu hakaliang ke pulih putih habayu nujor bat kisnem baladep. Bat maham ke DC ye kitraying bekim day ban being ye kinong shongwai. Mentangin pai shiki Khubor bakam benya. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma hakesengi balang ula pentip bala IT haki Deputy Commissioner ban pet ni ajing bit kenang bekipat ba kin yo tre yo kta ban nait nakayap thangan.
The Deputy Commissioners are trying to balance out this entire aspect of the economic issues versus necessities versus healthcare. So wherever we are seeing that the requirement is there, we have allowed the Deputy Commissioners to give the necessary permission simply because of the fact that we need to also realize that people also are facing a lot of difficulty and challenges. It is not possible to survive by just closing everything down. So therefore, as and when we can allow in a safe manner for certain activities to take place, Deputy Commissioners have been. So based on that, the Deputy Commissioners are. If there's any specific activity you're talking about, then I think Deputy Commissioner will be in a better position to reply. But we have given the power to them to decide because every area, every locality, every village is facing a different condition. So therefore, applying the same rule to all does not make full sense. So we are keeping health as priority, but we are also allowing them to have activities as per the need basis, which the Deputy Commissioners, BDOs and SDOs feel are safe to take. Okay.
Hadin ke jingbon ki bepersya ke jing temu jong ke sorkar ban ai penyat ya ke MEECL haki company ke kenhun menteri ha ke sengi balang kala shim ya ke rai bala pensange no ya ke te ke jing temu. Ha bakren bekilat pathai Khubor menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma uloong ba ya ke te ke rai ban kershan hino da ke sorkar ya ke MEECL ke de hadin ke jing tai ke basani bha bat ke kenhun menteri.
That are there working even as we speak. A large number of them are in Garo Hills, some are there in Khasi Hills also, and some are there in Jylla Hills also. So across the state, the DFs have been there for quite some time. It's not a new concept. With that background, yesterday, the Power Department, led by the Power Minister himself and the Chairman of MECL, had a detailed meeting with me, which lasted for quite some time, where they have shown the different aspects of power and also different steps that they will take to ensure that the reforms take place to achieve the overall revenue that is expected and also to reduce the AT&C losses if given a chance. And they stressed again yesterday that the DF option should not be taken. Similarly, I had a meeting and a discussion with the employees of MECL also, and they have also expressed similar concerns in line with what the Honourable Minister Power has said, that DF option may not be taken and state government may give full budgetary provision, and the MECL and its staff and engineers and the department would work together to ensure that the different targets that in case are put in will also be achieved.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma minta kesengi ulai thu bagi jing teri kambaro ban pelat ye kitu ki basakut hakrem doyong kidang ya chaprang. Ulai thu ban nakaliang jengki kila le lot kat bekila Henry hadu minta shim lala ban pelat ye kitei knong ti doyong.
The rescue operations are on, and we have asked all the administration as well as other agencies, including NDRF, to also pitch in. But the conditions are very, very difficult out there. So they are trying their best, but we have not come out with any positive results as of now.
Menteri Ketanat Kakwat Kakia Oba ALHEC minta kesengi ulai ro ikajing kloy jangka Meghalaya Seva Bharti ban ai kitiar sumar nongpang ye kitu ki bala syakta hau kenyang jingpang COVID kat kendai. Kajing sam ye kini kitiar sumar nongpang kabakentup ya khatsan tali ki oxygen concentrators, arspa tali ki oximeters, bat sauspa tali ki PPE kit, kan long na kabenta ki tu ki nongpang ki ba the jur bat ki ba wan ni ki long yeng long sem ki baduk bakerdo. Ya kini kajing pelai pai ba ye kini kitiar sumar nongpang lapelong Habishnupur Shillong hakabalai don langru u director kania u Dr. PK Goswami u Dr. S Lingdo bat urang bashnong jong Habishnupur.
The Professor Goswami had said everything, has left nothing for other speaker to speak. But anyway, I'm very happy to say today the Seva Bharati. This is not the first time I have been associated with Seva Bharati. I have been associated for many years with RSS. They are doing tremendous and immense work, social works to the service to the people. You have seen that in the reports, how been taken care for the marginalized economic children, how they take them up, how they give them education, give them food, give them everything they need to brought them out to society. So this is all the contributions which is served by the Seva Bharati to the human being, to mankind. So this is the beautiful thing which they have done. I really appreciate and admire the work that they have done to all the people. So today they have come forward. Not only today, we have seen for many days they have been doing this, but they are continuing now also by donating this oxygen concentrator, PPE kit, masks, and many others items like the pulse oximeters to serve the people and to reach out to the people. So this is a very mankind services that we have been doing. And as said by Lingdo, there are so many God-fearing people. They said that no, we'll not go for vaccination, we'll not go for tests, where God is there to leave us. But I will just remind all of you, God helps those who help themselves. If you don't help yourself, God also will not help you. So that's why you have to be self-respect first. You have to respect yourself first. You have to help yourself first. Then only God also will come and help others. God will not come from there to come and give healing to us. They have sent people from there. God has sent the people. They sent the doctors. They have sent the people from the Darbar Shillong to help the people. They have sent the Seva Bharati. They have sent so many organizations been doing tremendous services to save the people. So that's why I just want to reiterate it once again that God helps to those who
Menteri Badai Pet ya kathok kapuli kejela uba lakmen rumbui menta kesngi ula kentat ya kejing ong bakadon kejing hiar ha kathok kapuli hapok kejela. Habakren ya kinong thok khubor ha kabede bat kakai pot bala pelat pat ba dau menteri ki kam kathok kapuli jang sarkar kami Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishang kabakado baka Meghalaya kamshim lale bha ha kaliang kathok kapuli habayu nujor bat kiwe kejela jang kari India uba rumbui ulaong bakathok kapuli kalakiu sendet hakini kisnem Ladep nakadaw jang kajing shimkia jang menteri rangba u Konrad ke sangma.
So the Meghalaya has got about 649 points out of 1,000 points which have been taken as index by the government of India. But if we see the fact of the matter is that it is not that it is that Meghalaya has improved every year. In 2017-18, the score is 584. And 2018-19, the score is increased to 610. And this year, this last report, 2019-20, the score is 649. So in these last 3 years, there is the improvement, and we will improve more. And we know the deficiency. That's why since 2018-19, I have only spoken about 3 things which need to be done. Number 1 is infrastructure. Number 2 is that the trained teacher. And number 3 is that the how to improve the facility of the schools. I'm very glad in all these issues, the government has addressed it. In fact, in the last 3 years, more than 200 schools, LP schools, additional classrooms have been sanctioned by the government of Meghalaya, which have already been completed. And I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, who has placed time and said time and again that education is a priority, which this year 200 schools will be upgraded in facility of the government schools.
Ka Deputy Commissioner Ka Jylla kalamaha mi kitrayeng bekimday ban be yeng ni kinong syongwai lada kimpat yo opisa ban siu bai wai yeng hakum kani kapor baka sorkar kadang beteng ye ka khangdam ban lat na kajing sapriang uknyang jingpang covid khat kendai. Ka Youth Wing Jongka National People's Party kadang yai beteng ban ajing irap Shillong yeng ke beduna hakaliang kayo kokot. Haga kendai terik mentau benai jeliu arjar arpwe kani ka kunhun kala kener kijing irap de kimar bam Shillong yeng ke beduna kayo kokot Jongka Shnong melimba ya kebalaya lam the State President ka National People's Party uba Niki Nongklau haga jingi senran lang Working President uba Gilbert lalu haga jingi don ringkat lang urang ba Shnong kinong penyat Shnong ka Shnong melimba.
Itu ia kalit kawan mentala si benai dan si benai ganti ke bakalit kawan kam kena cu ya pedang jong kini gicing tip ba iba bela singi lakta sibun namar kumdai besuk bang syong daki benai kum kinong bela hamtam itu iba bela tayo ban ya bela tayo nang taban dakut tayo ban yakit yaki jingdan kam hiyeng ikladai syaf por ke ba por ke ba jenjar rei pedeng jong kene khma jong kecing yakun yune u ya kene klam covid-19 ing habban ya trelang bat pasakar kacing penya jong sarkar hakwidei kumno ban break yo chen jong kajing ya teng jong ne u corona jing ya sno jong corona lan ne jing sapriang jong ne corona covid-19 reng jong gini jing mentar singi dap jing sungu ibakil bat perlop ibalai warra igini jing ya rap kaban ya rap ya pi dia hakwidei bat kajing dan kam kemaman singi oh mulai biang lut nadong dari ini jing ya rap Along jingkut ku ba aku menik pot jong jing jong saja.
Lagi jingkut ku jong boleh tai kenrat. Polis bun irang ba Shnong bela ailat. Bangi yok bentalang hakani kepor. Ibarat i perlok jonga kinong ilam Shnong baro simo padang kajing fur jong ki ya kajing sem jing jong pi ki pat ba nong Shnong jong than melim hamtam ni pemeran jing siem. Yang ta i Pak Niki Nongklau ibadai National President jong kari India ibadai jong ke NPP di bat kiperlok cui ibadai senran lang ingi bat borok gitu khot wedon namar dai hagju poru dai lengba jong kiru ba ngaru ku Working President jong ke NPP hapok melem blok nilayo ban kene lang kiti lengba ba jong ki namar kini ka youth nilayo ban ai man hakini kisingi pilai keleng ka Shnong sadu Shnong hado asar hado Shnong gendong Demantarut nak jingrap buat jongki besnok tilang nilayo benta bakinuan sini bat kidon hangni rengkat bangi ngisung tenat nak kaliang jongki kidon hak sarkar ngidon hak sarkar ngiyok banyarap kat bala hai bu ibor bau boleh si boleh blokerku ke hamtam ye pi baro ki longkumi nak yang ofer ba ngi satu ba komode kopor kombo ngirang basnong tangka jing tuna sudah put kinok sok snong haman la gasnong aborok bagi jalan tenrei ngono pi ni semua tenat bang akmi tiru ba om tangkat ni ada si om dai tang mangi kibun ki rang ba naman lagi snong kibun ki long yeng ki ba khamdon kham em haman lagi snong kini ru si berita ikrat un pasyaw lo jongki mata na kaliang jongi nginuma da si upulai un pasyaw lo jongki ru ba kiru kindon kamen siem banyarap langkum hakni kopor
Bat daki tuki khubor ngilapoi syakapakun tat haduk bengindai syembiang kublai shibun.